Hello friends, here a video of solving Rubik cube with easy steps by Ameet Hiremath. Step 1. Friends, it's a Rubik cube. Try to make plus sign of any color. Here I am taking white, so follow the steps by seeing the video. Try to get the white color on the top face. Try it by seeing the video. So here we got a plus. Now after making plus sign on the one face, try to make same color of each end of plus sign as I am doing it in the video. So after taking the same color, reverse it. Friends, here it is a red. So try to take a red and make it reverse. Here it's a green. So it's the last step, don't make it reverse. Try to take it for the previous faces. That is plus sign. Now hold the plus sign face to the downward. Find out the white color on the third layer beside of the white. Find out the color and turn to the same color at the middle. Do as showing in the video. Friends, here beside of white it is a blue. Try to find out the blue color at the middle. Now do the step as I am showing in the video. Friends, here the white is on the top. Take it to the side. Now see, red is at middle. Take it down. Here you can see one face and one layer is completed. It's the first step. Step 2. Make a reverse T. With the same color, find out the color which is at the edge of the T. Here it is a orange. So if it is left side, turn to the right and follow the steps. Friends, again try to do the same steps. Make a T, find out the edge of the color. If it is at the right side, turn to the left and follow the steps which is given below the video. Friends, try to do the steps continuously until you complete second layer. Here you have to make a T. Top color is blue, it is at the left, turn to the right, follow the steps. Friends, you can see a second layer is completed. One face and two layers are completed. Step 3. On the top face, find out which sign or symbol you got. If it is L, minus or dot, follow the steps. Here it is L and hold it in the reverse order and follow the steps as it is shown below the video. Now you got a minus on the top layer. So follow the same steps which is displayed below the video. Friends, here you got a plus symbol. So follow the steps as shown in the video. Friends, here it is not a plus. Here it is a face symbol. And try to hold as shown in the figure and follow the same steps which you followed for the plus. So do these steps until you complete one face of yellow. You can see here two faces and two layers are completed. Step 4. Check all the faces which you get only two colors and hold it facing opposite to you and do the steps which are displayed below the video. Again, check all the faces where you get only two colors and hold it facing opposite to you and do the steps which are displayed in the video. Continue these steps until you get one side of face is filled with same color. When you get same color face, hold it to the facing right side and do the steps which is displayed below the video. Continue these steps until you complete the task. Continue these steps until you complete the task. Completed. Hope everyone understood. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos related to tricky games, science, Vedic maths and basic maths.